often tell people that my Jeep is a tool. It's like a Swiss Army knife for adventure. It doesn't have to be pretty or shiny. Tools get dirty, get dense, and show wear. It serves a purpose.
Oh, there's still some snowy bits in the trail. We might be having some fun.
My Jeep is a tool. It's a tool for getting through terrain that other people can't.
A little bit of mud hole action. Try not to fall in the mud hole.
As long as you maintain a tool, keep it oiled and functioning well, it'll do its job for you. It's somewhat fitting that I drive a Gladiator, because this truck has battled through a lot with me.
That was some muddy fun.
Yeah, no one seems to actually know. And everyone's maybe it is only 6 or 8 inches deep. It's about a foot. Cleaning up all my undercarriage. Alright, we gotta find a couple of spots. Look at full of firewood. Wow, aren't we lucky? Alright, wood. You got wood?
When I need it to be, my Jeep is a home away from home. My Jeep is a tool.
I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'm making mine.
Brought to you by
Don't tell me
Epic
I'm
Adventure
wasting
Outfitters.
time. I'll show you what I'm made of.
Also by
And give
White Rock
my
Dodge.
dreams life. I'll put it all on the line.
And in
Just
part by
I'm your one and
Bacon wrapped chicken breasts stuffed with jalapeno cream cheese. Yep, gonna be good. What's going on here?
This is what happens when you forget your camping chair. 40 to the rescue.
sometimes a Jeep is just a tool for goofing around and having fun with good friends while camping.
All right, guys, I'm out here on this raft, adrift in a current, and we're gonna try and winch it back to shore.
Hey, we got you wet. That's close.
Thanks for splashing. Here we go. Working.
Oh, you're losing ballast.
It's going sideways.
Whoa.
We've lost the flotation bucket. The raft is damaged. We had to winch the raft back to shore, but I got back safely.
It was close.
Thanks to Jason. Incredible recovery skills. You must have done a lot of recoveries because
Oh, raft recovery is the most popular recovery.
it's the most popular type of recovery now.
Bit of a climb, eh?
Yeah, feels like we're going up.
My Jeep is a tool. I can use it to get to epic locations high up in the mountains. Sometimes, those roads can be rough or overgrown, having not been used by industry for many years.
There's a shelf road here. It looks a little bit sketchy. It's my kind of road, but we gotta give it a little walk here first and just make sure it's not gonna kill us. Nice view.
It's a long way down.
It is a long way down, yes. Looks not too bad. We're gonna do it. What could go wrong?
5,600 feet.
3,600 feet down to the ocean?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, at least it's a water landing. We have some of the most beautiful terrain for off-roading in the world, and most people don't even know it's right in their backyard. You gotta be willing to go out and explore.
Man, she gets real narrow here. I think we're gonna want to take a look.
Okay. Unfortunately, this road got so skinny, it's definitely only for quads. We took a look at it, but we're gonna have to turn back and go a different way. Such as it goes when adventuring sometimes.
Jason's XJ is one beast of a tool.
No idea where these roads go, but just crazy epic views everywhere. all a little bit overgrown. Just exploring some history, making some new history.
There's overgrown trails, and then there's this trail. It's okay. My Jeep is just a tool.
Is this still a road? Of exploration.
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these arrows, and the sword I will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Me either. So I decided, because we're coming up here to camouflage, that we would just paint the truck fluorescent green. We have arrived at camp for tonight with a pretty epic view. No complaints there about that one. Nice little fire pit here overlooking the ocean. We get camp all set up.
Built my Jeep, that's why my budget builders.
That was almost bad as well. I think I'm done chopping.
Yeah, that was all cheap camp.
Boom. Yeah, done.
Okay, that works pretty good.
Yeah. What have we here? Bacon.
The map really doesn't show much. Yeah, take it, Ricky here. Roger.
My Jeep is a tool for exploring, getting to the highest mountain peaks through all the obstacles that might stand in my way to see the most epic views.
Welcome to the touchless car wash.
My money's worth of this car wash. Getting it all clean. This is crazy.
No matter how deteriorated and overgrown the roads, to the highest mountaintops overlooking the world. A Jeep, or whatever off-road vehicle you choose, doesn't need to be pretty. It serves a function. It can be repaired or replaced if needed. If you're willing to use it, it can take you places that you'll never forget and make incredible memories. A Jeep is just a tool. Don't overthink it. Just get out and adventure.
I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'm making mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of and give my dreams life. I'll put it all on the line, just like I'm young, wild and alive.
My name is Sean, and this is The Story Till Now. If you enjoyed this video, please consider watching some of my other adventures. We've gone on tons of trips, and I'm sure you're going to love some of them.